Today we are going to learn about a shortcut method for converting a decimal number to a binary one. Say we want to convert all the numbers starting from 0 to 15 to binary. Now starting from 0 to 15 there are 16 numbers, so we will need 4 digits of binary. Why? Because 2 to the power 4 is equals to 16. So 2 to the power 4, 0 to 15 there are first 16 numbers. So 15 plus 1 is equals to 16. So we will get 2 to the power 4, that means 4 digits of binary it will be taken. Another example I am giving, if we are getting first 8 digits, that means 0 to 7, now 8 is equals to 2 to the power 3. So we will get in that case 3 digits of binary we will need. Okay, so in this case, since we are having the binary numbers, binary equivalent of first 16 decimal numbers, so we will get 2 to the power 4, that is 4 digits binary. Okay, so here we have taken 4 digits binary value. Now what we will do, for the first line, divide 16 by 2, that means we are getting 8, so we will put here 8 zeros, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now for the next column, we will divide 8 by 2, that means we will write here 4 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, then again 4 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, then again 4 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, then again 4 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now in the next column, we will divide 4 by 2. So we will write here 2 zeros, 1, 2, 2 ones, 1, 1, then again 2 zeros, 1, 2, then again 2 ones, then again 2 zeros, then again 2 ones, then again 2 zeros, then again 2 ones. Now we will divide 2 by 1, that means we are getting 1. So we will put here 1 0 and 1 1. So 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. So here we have got the binary number of the first 16 decimal numbers. That means, for example, the binary number of 7 is 0 1 1 1, the binary number of 14 is 1 1 1 0 and so on. Thank you.